I'm going to be redesigning my YouTube banner and my profile picture for YouTube because in 2026, we don't need to be having no Obama ass YouTube banners and branding that just does not match your vibe. So let's get into it. So if you followed me from my last video, I had created a whiteboard in Canva and I had just dumped some inspiration on there, and look at that channel banner, by the way. We do not like that. It's just not feeling my vibe anymore. And I really liked Dendra K because it was really simple and it gave absolute baddie vibes. And I just love that. Love that aura. Really love that. So what I did first, after I'd obviously gotten some inspiration, is I thought about what I wanted to put on my banner in terms of the wording, because part of doing a rebrand or updating your banner is looking at what it actually says. And mine was from Simply White Design, and I've got to double check if I can actually change that in the name and stuff like that, because I can't remember how often you're allowed to change it, but I'm pretty sure I can. And I think it might change the URL as well. So I'm going to have to dive a little bit deeper into that. But let's just go into the design of these things. So what I did was I created a YouTube banner that looks a little bit like this. Love the red. I could probably do with a little bit of a better picture, but look a little bit more happy or friendly or a bit more of a vibe. But I think you get the idea. How I got this though is you go to File and you go Create New Design, and it's super easy. You just type in YouTube and then there's the banner. So you can open up that, and then you can also open up the YouTube channel logo. Now, when I was looking for this template, a lot of the times the templates in Canva are quite intense. So this is what I started with. I'm going to tell you why it's not very good. It's just way too over designed, way too crazy, like all these textures and stuff like that. Like I get it, cool, but like simple is way better. Like just get your picture in there, your face in there, and just your name and exactly what it is that you're doing on your YouTube channel. And so this is what's going to be my motto for 2006 for this. So yeah, I basically just deleted a lot of this stuff on here because it's just all unnecessary. We don't need all of that stuff there. So just go and delete all of the fluff, because I think that the style these days, less is way more. So with the banner though, what the reason why I use this one is because with YouTube, even though it's this giant big size here, it only shows this part. So that's why I wanted to keep this, because I knew that that was going to be what shows on YouTube. So I just changed the colors. So I changed that from that. I really like this color, and I changed it here as well. It's got the shadow, so it's good. It's working there. I obviously deleted that sort of stuff, and I just went into pictures that I'd gotten before. So I'll just use this one so you can see. To remove the background, you just go background remover, and you can scale it down and just make sure it's close. Go down there, change the text. I changed, the wording, everything like that, and just made sure that it matched the brand or the redesign that I'm doing. So yeah, you can change that text to white. And that's basically it. I just played around and that's what I ended up with. I might need to make this a little bit more in the middle, I feel like, because it's a little bit uncentralized. So we'll just move that over. I'm just holding down my shift key and then using my left and right arrows to get more movement. So I don't need that page because that's cool. But when you finish designing that, make sure that when you design this banner that it's super simple and easy to read. Like maybe this is a little bit small, but I just felt like I needed that in there. And then you're going to go share and you're going to go download, and PNG is fine. You just go download. Oh, I did forget to say, make sure that you name it YouTube banner. Otherwise you have all these files where things don't actually have great names. And then this was the profile picture. I decided to just do something like this that actually has the color. So I've done a gray background. I'm not quite sure what that's going to look like yet. So I did the same thing. I just uploaded a picture into Canva and I just removed the background. I feel like maybe it's a little bit too gray. I was drawing inspiration from here, but I think that's her actual gray background. So we'll just see what that looks like. But again, if you need to know how to get to this size, you go File, Create a New Design, and you just look up YouTube. and you'll find the YouTube channel logo there. See, it's all got the right sizing and everything like that. So I'm just going to make sure that that says YouTube profile pic, and then I'm going to download that. I'm going to download PNG is fine. I will download that, and so that will be saved onto my computer. So now I'm going to go to YouTube and I am going to change it. I have not changed this since I started. I don't think I changed this since I started making YouTube's like last year or the year before or something like that. So you're going to go into YouTube Studio, and then you can go into customization. And then the first thing that we will do is we will change the banner profile or the banner image. And because we've already done all the design and it's really nice and easy, all we need to do is find the downloads, and look at that. I called it YouTube banner. So it's really easy. You can open that and you can see how it's got, that's what's viewable on all devices. So that's what it's going to look like. And then I'm going to change this as well, which is the profile picture. And I'm going to go YouTube profile pic and I'll open that. And it gives you a little preview to see what it's going to look like too. So I think it's cool because I'm wearing the red and it kind of matches. So it kind of looks good. And then this is where you can change your name if you want to. But again, just make sure, like the handle and the name, I think it changes see how it's got the URL that's down there as well. I'm going to look into that a little bit after this video because I think that will change URLs absolutely everywhere. So maybe I can keep the handle, but then I can change the name. Yeah, so basically you will go publish after that. And that is going to publish those changes to your YouTube channel, and you're going to have a brand new Vibey channel, and it's going to look exactly how you want it. Now you know exactly how to upload your YouTube banner and also your profile pic. So make sure that give yourself about half an hour, I would say. You don't need to spend any longer than that on it because you want to make sure that we're in the era of actually getting things done as well. So keep it simple, less is more, use clear fonts, use great pictures, and just get that YouTube banner and that profile pic updated. Now, if this video has helped you, make sure you stick around and watch the next video because it's going to help you level up even further.